Hello and welcome to another one of my math classes. Today we will be learning about mean, median, mode, and range. First, let's focus on mean. Mean is the average of a set of data. To find the mean, you must add all numbers in the data together and then divide the sum of the numbers by the number of numbers. That may seem confusing at first, but it'll get easier. For example, let's take these numbers. These numbers are our data. The first step to finding the mean is adding all the numbers. The sum is 25. So it'd be 5 plus 9 plus 3 plus 6 plus 2 equals 25, our total. Next, we have to divide 25 with the number of numbers. There are 5 numbers in the data. So we have to divide 25 by 5. This equals 5. So after dividing and adding, the actual mean or average of the set of data is 5. An example of mean being used in a real-life circumstance would be when a teacher grades a test. A teacher must find the mean or the average to grade a test. Cool, huh? We will do some practice problems at the end of the video. Now let's move on to median. Median is the middle value of a sorted list of numbers. To find the median, you must order the set of data and then find the middle. The middle number is the median. For example, let's take these numbers. These numbers are our data. The first step to finding the median is making sure the numbers are in order. So, let's order them lowest to highest. Now let's find the middle number. 4 is the middle number. This makes 4 the median for this set of data. So 4 is right in the middle, which makes it the median. Though finding the median can be simple, there can be harder problems. Let's try this one. First, let's order the new set of data. Now let's find the middle number. However, this time there are 2 numbers in the middle, 5 and 6. Yet there can only be one number. So now we must find the mean of these 2 numbers. Now add 5 and 6, which equals 11. Then divide 11 by 2, which equals a total of 5.5. So we're going to add 5 plus 6, which equals 11. 11 divided by 2, which equals 5.5. 5.5 is the median to this set. We will do some practice problems at the end of the video. Now let's move on to mode. Mode is the value that occurs most often in a series of numbers. To find the mode, you must find the number that is the most often occurred in a series of numbers. For example, let's take these numbers. These numbers are our data. Now let's order them to figure out the number of numbers there are for each one. So Next, let's find the number that has the most repetitions. 2 occurs 4 times, 3 occurs once, 5 occurs 5 times, 6 occurs once, 7 occurs 2 times, and 9 occurs 2 times. Clearly, the number 5 has repeated the most. This means the mode is 5. Good job. We will do some practice problems later. Now let's move on to range. Range is the difference between the maximum value and the minimum value within the set. To find the range, you must find the difference between the smallest and biggest value in a set of data. For example, let's take these numbers. These numbers are our data. First, we must order these numbers. so we can figure out what the largest and smallest numbers are. The smallest number is 1, and the biggest number is 9. Now we must find the difference by subtracting the two numbers. 9 minus 1 equals 8. 8 is the range. Great job. Now that we have finished learning about mean, median, mode, and range, let's try some practice problems. First, let's try a mean practice problem. Find the mean of a set of data. You have 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is 6. Good job. Next, let's do a practice mean problem with the same set of data. Find the median. You have 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The answer is 7. Nice. Next, let's do a practice mode problem with the same set of numbers. Find the mode. You have 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. The answer is 8, 7, and 2. Remember, there can be more than one mode. Great job! Finally, let's do a practice range problem with the same set of numbers. Find the range. You have 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. The answer is 7. Awesome job, y'all! Alright, that's all for today. See you next time!